Hello. Pay attention and repeat after the speaker.
What do you mean? What do you mean? You should stay here. You should stay here. Would you like to order now? Would you like to order now? I will not forget the money. I will not forget the money. I'd like to see you again next week. I'd like to see you again next week. I'm trying to lose some weight. I'm trying to lose some weight. Are you free tonight? Are you free tonight? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Did you buy your house? Did you buy your house? Where did you go? Where did you go? I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? I intend to study abroad. I intend to study abroad. Do you need to work today? Do you need to work today? I lived with my grandmother when I was a child. I lived with my grandmother when I was a child. We decided to go to Paris. We decided to go to Paris. Will you go back to your hometown next year? Will you go back to your hometown next year? You're spending a lot of money this month. You're spending a lot of money this month. What do you usually do at home on Sundays? What do you usually do at home on Sundays? It's your turn. It's your turn. I don't like cheese very much. I don't like cheese very much. She came back from London. She came back from London. I'd like to go there by train. I'd like to go there by train. He is very boring. He is very boring. Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink? The cat is very cute. The cat is very cute. I want to pay for you. I want to pay for you. Have you ever been to Canada? Have you ever been to Canada? Where are you going? Where are you going? What do you do in your spare time? What do you do in your spare time? We should do this more often. We should do this more often. I got stung by a bee. I got stung by a bee. That's not good. That's not good. I would like to go see a movie. I would like to go see a movie. It's getting late. It's getting late. We have to go now. We have to go now. I think it's possible. I think it's possible. Don't give up. Don't give up. I will turn down the volume. I will turn down the volume. It's my fault. It's my fault. How can I help you? How can I help you? What happened to you? What happened to you? I had an accident. I had an accident. I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. I am also glad she is getting well. I am also glad she is getting well. It's very kind of you. It's very kind of you. I feel much better. I feel much better. You must be kidding. You must be kidding. Where can I park? Where can I park? Try again. Try again. Time is running out. Time is running out. We must hurry up. We must hurry up. I am not hungry. I am not hungry. The check, please. The check, please.
That's all. Like it, share, comment, and don't forget, subscribe for more content like this. See you next.